Hi guys, this is Young and today I have Nerd 20 with me in beautiful Mystic Bronze. It's a bit more like rose gold color, which I absolutely love, but today it's all about pen and what this magic wand can do. So let's get started right away. Let's get our wrists ready. So let's first master the moves, the basic moves. Here we go. Hover your pen and press the button and V-shape. That goes to the back. That was backward air action. This move will take you to home, but it works in some apps. This for the most recent app. The normal V will help you initiate Smart Select. The squiggle is for the screen capture, and I find that it works the best. And here I'm using my own AR emoji. It looks like me when I'm wearing my glasses. My favorite S Pen app is Live Message. You can initiate the app by selecting S Pen menu at the right. Then you can select many different backgrounds. Your own pictures in the gallery, you can take a new photo with camera. But I like using the different color presets, which has beautiful gradation of color and also white and black background. Super handy, especially if I want to make use of it inside my YouTube video. You can be as creative as you wish, and the final products are in either GIF or MP4. With S Pen, probably the most useful app is Camera. So hey, let me just get the S Pen out. Here we go, my Mystic Bronze S Pen. So first I want to show you how far you can go with this Bluetooth S Pen, and it's impressive. I'm still connected and it's taking photo. I'm here. All the moves work at distance, but let me show you up close.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Now let's take a look at some fun features and then go into professional features. Galaxy phones make GIF features very fun. Okay, you can customize your own GIF with any content on the web. I'm gonna make a GIF out of my own video using Smart Select. You can actually specifically select GIF feature, and the phone will automatically detect the video part of the page. You can record a short clip. S Pen, S Pen. Another fun feature you can only do with S Pen is pen up. If you like drawing, I'm sure you can make an art piece. With me, I need some help, which means I can use the photo as a background and draw on top of it. So it's a bit like cheat sheet. Let me see how I did. Oops. Finally onto the However, there are a couple of comments that I do want to make. This one, I think title should be bigger. But what's up with Mandarin fruits? I'm not entirely sure. And I think there should be also some like negative points to consider. Voila, it's done. She can save it and send it back to you for further correction. So I hope you guys learned a little trick or two on S Pen with Note 20. I absolutely love how S Pen is evolving over the years. Last time I had Note was 8, and next device I'm gonna go is actually I'm gonna move from S series to Note, so I'm super excited. And if you guys want more tech reviews, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!